Konrad Hens, you are the manager of this splendid Brandberg White Lady Lodge.
Yes.
This is an amazing place. I'm going to ask you what makes it so amazing, but I think there's too much to say. But give us something.
Well, it's special in terms of we are right at the foot of the Brandberg Mountain, which is a World Heritage Site.
Yeah.
We have got desert elephants roaming around freely.
Wow.
In the area, which makes it also very unique and very special for the tourists that come here.
It's pretty natural. There's a lot of nature going around here. What type of facilities do you have here?
We offer camping, and we offer rustic tents, and then we offer bungalows and luxury tents, and then normal rooms as well. So we have a variety of different accommodation types.
And then you've got a sort of like an area, swimming area, the restaurant, all that type of stuff.
We've got a swimming area with the restaurant, 2 swimming pools in the swimming area. Restaurant serves main courses every night, and we've got a la carte every night as well.
Yeah.
Breakfast and lunch we do. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
And you also do game drives?
We offer elephant game drives specifically to go see the elephants.
Okay.
When they're not around, we still offer sort of a scenic drive.
Yeah.
And a sunset drive in the evenings if the guests would like to go on one of those.
Yeah.